Hi, my name is Dayle Mazzarella. I'm a Fly Fishers International Master Casting Instructor, a longtime Wyoming fishing guide, and an award-winning coach and educator. I've put together this video series that I hope will help you become a better fisherman, catch a lot more fish, and I hope you enjoy it. That's just rod load. There's no cast involved at all. That's just rod bend or rod load. And I let go, boom, I've got a cast. Then I can roll cast it if I want to, and from there I can do a water tension cast. I can roll cast it out, roll cast it up, the roll cast is this. You still got to give it more oomph at the end. Give a wading fisherman the right of way. Ask, make sure you're pulling up your lines, going way out of the way.